Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create text behind the object on Filmora. If you want to add that cinematic look where text appear to sit naturally behind object in your video, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a popular text behind object effect in Filmora. It is a simple trick that instantly make your edit look more professional and visually engaging. Let's get started. In your Filmora app you have to import the video what you would like to use the background video. So I am using the tracking video. I would like to add the text here. So go to title. You have to use the default title. So change the title name and select the text and go to text in the properties. So I have to resize this text and move to here slightly, sliding of this text. Okay. Have to expand the text end of the video. So now you have to check it out. The text is foreground of the video. So I would like to move the text behind this object. So we have to copy the video layer. Then I have to lock this. Then you have to paste the third layer. Have to adjust here. Then you have to go to video, then select the AI matting. You have to scroll down here, then select the smart cutout. Then you have to click on the smart brush. Then you have to just select the object. It will be automatically select the entire object. Once completed the process, you have to click apply. That's it. Now the text moved behind the object. Now you have to check it out. You can preview the video. That's it. So in this way, you can create the text behind object on Filmora. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.